Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a 3D speaker that I use in my recent edit, and a lot of you guys have asking me how I did that, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. And also it doesn't require any plugin. I just made it with solid and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go and get into it. So the first thing you gotta do is to add a new solid layer and use the color that you want. Good. And then what you gotta do is to pre-compose it. And then I'm going to go to composition setting and change its resolution to the half the resolution that I want. Alright, I think this is good. Now let's design our speaker. I don't like this pink, so I'm just gonna change it color again. Good. Now add another solid, or wait, don't do that. Go to rectangle tool and use the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Make sure to hold shift while you're doing that, or your circle would look cringy as fuck. Oh my god, I shouldn't say that in YouTube, sorry. Alright, back to the tutorial. As I said, draw a circle using ellipse tool and change its color. I'm gonna use this yellow, and I don't want any stroke, but you can have it if you want. Or, I don't know, you can use another color. Just up to you which color that you want. Alright, this looks kinda good. And then duplicate it, and change it to none, and I don't know, you can add a stroke here and give it a 3D look by changing its position. I'm gonna duplicate this and add this one for this part here too. I think this looks good. Nice. And then go to rectangle tool again and draw whatever that you want here. Now you can design it in any way that you want. You don't have to follow me, but I like to design it like this. I'm going to draw a line here. This is really inspired by John's speaker, so yeah, all the credits to him. And change its color again. Going to write, for example, I don't know, any song that I want. I don't know, Summertime, Sadness by Lana Del Rey. I'm just gonna add it here. I'm saying it again, this is just my design, you don't have to do it exactly the way that I did. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna do is to add drop shadow to all the layers so it looks better. And boom. So this is I'm going to change its name. This is the front of my speaker. So let's make the left and the back side of our speaker. So let's do that again. Go to your first layer and pre-compose it, and go to composition setting and change its size. So I'm going to change this to 540 and 540, and this is going to be the left side of my I don't know what's called my speaker. Or you can make it look, I don't know, smaller if you want to, like this, but it depends on how you like your speaker to look at. So I prefer it, you go with 540 and 540, and make another one for the top of your speaker, which is going to be exactly the same resolution as you did for the front one. And yeah, so this is the front one. You have to duplicate this 3 times and this one 2 times. Alright, after you did that, make sure to turn on the 3D option for all of them and turn on the snapping option, and then change this to active camera to custom view 1. And before you do all of that, if your thing doesn't show up here, go here, view options, and turn on the layer control. Alright, now go to this one that you changed its name to left, and we're going to use Y rotation and change it to 90. No, and then snap it here, just like what I did. So go to Y rotation and do it like this. The next thing you gotta do is to go to the top layer and just add it here, and go to, for these two, go to Y rotation and change the X rotation to 90. Again, go to rotation, change the X rotation to 90, and boom. So, but if you also wanted your speaker to look cooler, just do what I do here. Change this to 30 and draw the thing that I'm drawing right now. Fill it with yellow. Alright, cool. Now add that to the composition that you were making your 3D speaker. Turn on the 3D option and boom, it's here. And then you can alright, and here you go. Here is your 3D speaker.